to use hypergamy against women is you just simply have to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male and be on your personalized mission on earth, aka your purpose, aka your passions. Yeah, when you do that, naturally you will be using hypergamy against women. Yeah, it's not a, I don't know, like a, like in football or sports, a team sport, that you can have substitution. It's not like you can bring on that substitution and then they can, do what they need to do to achieve the result that you want to achieve. It don't work like that. It just simply works by you being yourself. Yeah, I know it sounds cliche, but being yourself, yeah, with the nature, with your nature in full, yeah, as a thoroughbred alpha male, that is how you're going to use hypergamy against women. Yeah, so click the link in the description box below which says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust. When you do that, you'll get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male. And in the course to do with career and business, that is where you are going to learn exactly what your purpose is, aka your personalized mission on earth, aka your purpose, your passions and all that stuff there. Alright, so if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.